you wanna add to that? Because looking at the list, Leyte lang po yung nasa Region 8 among the tourist attractions posted in the list. I mean, it's really a big thing for the region, for the province to be included in that particular list from Google Maps.
Yeah, actually, I grew up here. So si MacArthur nandiyan na talaga yan. Okay, but at one point, I don't really appreciate it that much anymore. Not because it's nothing historic, because we always celebrate it every October 20. It's parating kasama namin si MacArthur sa mga usapan pag ikaw ay taga-Leyte. And then one time, inayos namin. So nag-board up kami. Pag board up namin, parang daming nagalit. Nagalit sa social media, ang daming comments. Pero may nagde-defend naman. Hayaan na nyo kasi pinapaganda nga niya. Alam na naman. Sabi ko, ano bang meron dito? Bakit pag gusto nila si MacArthur? Minsan nga sinisilip ko, 1, 2, 3, 4, may umalis na bang isa? Pagod na. Ano pagkakaiba nito? Sabi ko, ganun pa rin naman. So, yung iba, nagre-request pa sa kanya. Pwede ba habang naka-board up, pupunta lang kami at titingin sisilip? Sabi ko, ha? Pero, that's the interest of the people. When it comes to Leyte, si MacArthur, minsan na, si Celos ako, di ba nyo gusto makita yung gobernador? Bakit puro kay MacArthur? Joking aside, okay, they go out there, they take a picture, and they'll say, been there. And I said, now we have to really seriously look at MacArthur because it is something that people want to do. I still do not understand up to this point being a Letenyo kung anong meron, bakit interesado, but it's a good interest from other people. So sabi ko, I don't want it to be just a statue. Kaya nga sinasabi namin ngayon, how can we actually expand it so that they know the culture and the story that is behind the statue. And thanks to our tour guides, sila ang talagang naglalahad ng kwento kung ano ang history dito. Pero sinasabi ko, baka merong quick way pa rin of actually doing it. Like for example, pupunta ka doon, tapos mag-QR code ka, tapos medyo lalabas dito si MacArthur, nandyan, yung mga aeroplano, whatever, mga short clips, okay, on different parts because we want the story behind MacArthur and not just the statue. But it is gaining interest from other people. And kaya namin pagandahin. Kaya pinaayos na ni Ann, actually ngayon ongoing pa rin. Chiesa naman ang pumasok ngayon. Merong Chiesa na pinapaganda rin nila. And then kung makikita mo, wala pang commercial area yan. Sabi ko, if there is no commercial benefit to us, sometimes, kini-question ko, ano ba ang purpose ng tourism? They'll come to you, you will not sell them anything, they will throw their garbage and they will leave. So, sabi ko, baguhin natin ng konti. Kailangan, meron tayong benefit din dito on the commercial side. Otherwise, tourism without commercials is basically non-sustainable. Umaasa sa gobyerno masyado. So, yes, we do realize that we're happy and because we got them, we'd like them to stick around. We'd like the interest to stick around. The next time there is an evaluation, we want MacArthur to be there and probably more.